Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to do some programming stuff. I'm going to use a Python to make a prank calls to your friend. How do we do that? There are a lot of companies out there which provides a free API. So not free, but it costs little of dollars. To do so, first you want to register your mobile number first and pick any random number, a number that is from UK or US which is not just registered, and get it registered your number by entering your permanent details. Just we take SIMs in our country, and to make a call to another end user, there is little condition here is that we need to register that recipient mobile number as well. But upon some terms and condition to do that, you need little of dollars in the particular APIs that I'm going to demonstrate in few seconds. So let's make a phone call using this particular API using Python. Let's go.
Alright guys, let's begin coding. Before coding, let me install necessary packages. The package I'm going to install is Twilio. Twilio is an API provider. So I'm going to install version 5.7. Just go to your terminal using pip, just install Twilio 5.7.0. This is gonna take a little moment. So let's create a Python script. Let me save this file first into my phone call directory. This is a virtual environment which I have created. I'll save this as call.py. My very first line is to import that Twilio library. So to do that, from twilio.rest import Twilio REST client as call. I'm going to use three important variables. The first one is from number. For now I'll keep it blank. To number. And source src path. I'm going to explain each and every one. I'm going to take those values from Twilio website. So after gathering these informations, I'm going to take one more variable as client. I'm going to call Twilio REST client using this function call, and I'm going to pass two important argument or parameter inside it. So I'll get back to that later. So after taking client, I'm gonna print a statement, say call initiated. After this message, I'm on connect to client and make calls. I'm gonna create it using these many values. The parameters what I'm gonna pass is that to number, so that is 2 underscore number, and from is equals to from underscore number, URL is equals to that is src underscore path, and I'm gonna declare this this kind of method using get. So this is my client. So after initiating, I want to print a message saying call has been triggered. successfully. So this is my complete program. Let me save this. This is the Python script. So where do I get this from, to, and source path, and I'll tell you. So let's get into this website. So this is a Twilio website. Currently I'm using trial version of Twilio. So this is my dashboard, how this is look like. So initially you will have a project name. You need to create a project. This is my account. For each and every account there exists a account SID. So just copy this out and come back to your code and paste it here in the call as a first value to an argument. Go back to your dashboard again, and here authentication token, just view it, just copy this out and paste it as a second parameter. Okay, so this is our client is ready. So client will call to create one. We need two number, we need from number, and what is this source path. We'll see that. So from number is a number from where you want to trigger a call to destination recipient with a message that is defined as a static file in a source path. Let me tell you about this from number. Go back to that my account Twilio. Here just click on phone numbers. So we will land here the active numbers. So this is one of my active number which is verified, and it is a free trial for test purpose. You can create one from your dashboard. Go to your dashboard, at the bottom scroll down, you can create phone number, get a number to start sending messages and making calls with the Twilio. So get one, it will give you a suggestion, just pick that one, and trust me, it is for free. And if you want more such numbers, you got to pay some dollars. And click on this number, and it's going to take to a dashboard of it configuration page. There you copy this out, copy this phone number. So the format of the number shouldn't have any sort of space. Take that number and paste it here. So to whom should I call? So the calls from this Twilio can only be made to a verified account. So verified caller ID, click on this verified caller ID, you will get these two numbers. This is my verified number through phone call or through OTP. You can verify in one of the way. So this is my old number, this is my new number. I'll just copy this out. This is, you can only make calls to verified number in a trial version. I'll show that error as well. Go back to your code and paste it here. So what is this? Remove this space. This is gonna lead us into some error. So what is this source path? As soon as this function is triggered, the call will be redirected to number, and once he picks it up, he will get to listen some sort of static data. So that is source, that should be mentioned in source path. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type http, this is my website, www.twilio_demo.xml. So this is XML file. I'll show you that XML file as well. This is the website what I typed just now. Here this is XML file what it looked like, and say hello is a female voice. It is taken from, it supports only Twilio allies, and this is the message, whatever it is kept under say tag within a response. This is a static data. I am passing it to my source path, and here to my client to create a call. Fine, we have got every data, source path we have got, number we have got. Okay, let's check this whether my code works or not. Save this file, go back to your terminal, clear your screen, and type, let me check the file. Yes, I am in the right directory. Call your Python script call.py, and it says call initiated, and I'm waiting to get triggered. The call initiated, call has been triggered successfully. This is what I'm getting the call from. I'm gonna pick this up and put this into speaker.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code.
So I'm gonna press a key.
This is the call from Python. Thanks for learning from Vothla coding by Santosh Kumar S. Please subscribe to Santosh Kumar S's YouTube channel. Happy learning. Goodbye.